We have 6 special athletes competing. Most of our special athletes have been diagnosed with autism. And in the parent category, we have SH6, which is where we have a board competing. And in the WH2, that's our wheelchair category, we have one of our parent athletes in a wheelchair. So what we had to do is that we only had one wheelchair activity, so we had to make it an invitational event and invite 2 other players to compete with him. And the same thing for relation to height, we had 2 other players who can compete for actual Paralympics.
What's the thought behind an event like this? What we hope to achieve or gain from it?
First is that the players train their own. Most of them on Saturday, some of them was on Wednesday, and they work very hard. And so we want to give them the opportunity to interact with them, so they see where they are, how they have progressed, and also for them to have